welcome again guys to my new video. So today we'll be exploring Australian Open at Melbourne Park. Behind me you can see this is Flinders Street Station train lines parked at Fed Square. So I'll give you all the details guys, so stay with me, stick with me, and then we'll go explore Australian Open January 2025. Let's go. I drove to the city and I'm parked at Fed Square, which is very close to Australian Open. Also you can catch a public transport, like you can see the train which comes in and out of the city. You do not want to drive to the city. So this is the car park that I was talking about earlier, and it's called Wilson Parking. This building here is called the NGV at Fed Square, which is officially known as the Ian Porter Centre, which is also called NGV Australia. Basically the purpose of this branch of National Gallery of Victoria is dedicated to exclusive to display the art, Australian art specifically. It houses one of the most comprehensive collection of Australian art, from Indigenous art to contemporary works. This place is open every day from 10 AM to 5 PM. Most of the places are free admission, but some of the exhibition will require tickets. Alright, let's move on, eat our lunch, then go to Australian Open. We wanted to beat the queue at Australian Open, so that is why we ate outside, but it's up to you guys. If you do want to eat inside, there are a lot of eateries and a lot of bar for drinks as well. So let's go guys, let's enjoy Australian Open. As you can see, everyone is heading towards Australian Open. We are right now at Birrarung Mar. As you can see, there are a lot of ticket sales counters, last minute tickets if you want to buy there, and also information centers where you can get all the information about Australian Open. We are going straight towards the main gate where we'll do our check-in. They'll do a security check, then we go inside Australian Open. That's where you're going to show your ticket as well. Let's go guys, let's get into Australian Open. And if you're at Birrarung Mar and you do not want to go inside at Australian Open, you can actually go up there at Hilltop and sit there, enjoy your drink and watch tennis on a bigger screen. There are instructions on how to sign up for express entry. Just follow the barcode and rest will be done. So let's go guys, let's enter Australian Open. So the security check has been done, ticket has been checked in, and we are officially inside Australian Open. This is the ballpark area where kids can play, enjoy themselves. Another playing area for the kids. So this is the iconic AO filled with thousands of tennis balls. Don't forget to take a picture if you guys are here. Let's continue. While we head towards Rod Laver Arena and other tennis court, Australian Open has created massive playing areas for kids and family. As you can see, that massive slide as well looks amazing. So if you are here, definitely try it out. So along the way there are information center, and you can see mist fan as well so that people can remain cool, and there's water fountain as well for drinking water. So let's continue guys, let's go. And that one there is world famous Melbourne Cricket Ground. We are now approaching to the center of the courts, and as you can see there are already players playing right there, but those are show courts. Looks like the live TV wants to get me on the TV as well. I'll get you on the vlog, you get me on the TV. Let's go. Future of car is EV, and you have Australian Open sponsor Kia with a famous EV car. So this is one of the arena, which is 1573, and you've got Margaret Court Arena right there. Okay, now we'll make a full anti-clockwise round of the ballpark where we will explore everything we can. So I'm gonna keep quiet and let's just show you through my camera. Let's go, guys. While we are strolling around, I just want to let you know different types of tickets that you can actually get to get into Australian Open. Most of the people come on ground pass, which is the famous one. Obviously with the ground pass you can't get into Rod Laver Arena or Margaret Arena or maybe John Cain Arena as well. With ground pass you can come into the ground, you can enter. As you can see, all these people right there, most of them probably do not have tickets for Rod Laver Arena or Margaret, but they come on ground pass, enjoy the vibe, and actually they go to different show codes who actually do not require ticket purchase. So with the ground pass you can enjoy most of it, but except Rod Laver Arena, Margaret Court Arena, and some of the bigger arenas as well. Now for that you have to have a separate ticket, because as soon as you enter the arena there will be people checking your tickets before you get into your seat. So anyways guys, that's the ticket information, and if you need to know more about it you can actually go to Ticketmaster and then check it out, or Australian Open website and check more information on the tickets. Alright, so I think I'm really thirsty right now, so I'm just gonna go and then get a Canadian club. Let's go grab one. At Australian Open, they provide you free sunscreen, but don't forget to bring your own. Enjoy the sun, enjoy the tennis, and drink some Canadian club. Cheers. That's refreshing. Let's continue. You'll get to see a lot of activities and performance at Australian Open. These guys are robot dancers, so a lot of people were taking photos. If you are here, if they are performing, then definitely take some photos. Now we are right in front of Rod Laver Arena. You guys go enjoy the view and the time lapse, and after that I'll show you the other side of this arena. Then we'll enter Rod Laver Arena, then I'll show you inside of the arena, then we'll end our video right there. So let's go guys, let's enjoy Australian Open. Alright, now we are entering into the arena. After this we'll go inside Rod Laver Arena. Then I'm going to show you the inside of Rod Laver Arena, but unfortunately I will not be showing you the tennis match just because I don't want to get into a copyright issue which has happened in the past. So stay with me guys, the last bits of video is coming for you guys. It is amazing inside the arena, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. Adios.